Meaning of John D Rockefeller.
John D Rockefeller.
John D Rockefeller.
John D Rockefeller.
John D Rockefeller. John D. Rockefeller was an American industrialist and philanthropist who founded the Standard Oil Company, which became the dominant oil refining company in the United States during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. He is widely regarded as one of the wealthiest people in modern history, and his name has become synonymous with great wealth and power. Additionally, he is known for his philanthropy, having donated large sums of money to various charities and institutions during his lifetime.